Testing, testing, testing. Oh yeah, sounds good. Oh, alright, as y'all can see, we finna react to some videos. We just chill with Quisetrades, bro. Y'all know chill with Quisetrades, we do whatever, bro. More likely we'll do reactions and shit. Let's go ahead and get ready. Y'all know we gotta put this on YouTube, so I gotta start the recording. Start the recording. Give me a second. We gotta put the music on. Turn the music off. Turn it down. What we trying to do? Play this thing right now. Streaming time. Reaction time. Get back in line. Like we on a trip. Go ahead and dip. Go and take a sip. Let me turn this off, man. Alright. I think we good. Desktop audio. Turn it up a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. Okay. Alright, right there. Alright. Why you looking at us like that? I think we got it now, though. Alright, let me stop the recording. Then we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keys back with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be checking out. I tried making $1,000 a day by Riley Coleman. This was the guy that we watched before. He did like a 30-day challenge or something. And I like his videos. I do like his videos. Me personally, I do know that he got experience with trading, but I don't know if I can call him a day trader. He look like he just do it for YouTube videos. I'm gonna just say that what it look like. I ain't never checked on any other content he got out. Maybe he do day trade, but if he do day trade, he kind of fooling us with these videos, because how the heck he keep having to do, well, let me see if I can do this 30 days, let me see if I can do that, and act like he don't know how to do no strategies. If he a day trader, you know some type of strategy by now. You did. I see at least about 4-5 videos on your page about trading now. You gotta know some type of strategy by now. So I don't know if I count him as I think he a YouTuber just experiment with day trading. But regardless of the fact, I love his videos, the content, edited nicely, everything. So that's why we back on his channel. We like his videos, man. We like his videos. So we're finna go react to it. Before we do, y'all know, hit the like, share, and subscribe button down below if you haven't. Let me know any type of videos or reactions that y'all would like to see. And yeah, let's go on and get into it, man. My boy Riley Coleman, he said he trying to make $1,000 a day. I don't know how he gonna do it, but we gonna see.
Where I make a run at it.
Hold up now, why that mud? Hold up.
I'm going to try to make $30,000
I got lower the quality.
in 1 month trading by tripling my trading size. Once you can consistently make money with a smaller amount, all you need to do to make more money is increase your
Hold
size.
up. Hold up, wait a second, y'all. We might react to this already. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. I think we reacted to this. We gotta go to our archives. Cause then I just tell y'all he did like a 30. Let me see. Gotta go to the archive real quick. We got so many videos, they don't make no sense. Why I feel like we reacted to this? Unless he make so many videos like the same. I see biggest trading losses, 0% trades. They gotta be a while back. Yeah, it gotta be. You got so many live streams, it's hard to find my dang video. Oh, I'm on live, no wonder. He got Craziest Wall Street, TJR, Sorry if y'all hear a cat in the background. She in the bathroom because she's acting up. Okay, so yeah, we did see a 30. How many minutes this is? Yeah, let me press play. Let me go to the beginning. Do he got the same shirt on? Oh, he got the same shirt. Dang, we already reacted. Well, never mind, y'all. We react to something else then. Guess we gotta react to something else. What the world? That's probably because we watched it on my other page. Alright, well, we're gonna stop the YouTube video right now, but the stream is still gonna be going. But we gotta find a new video. Gotta find a new video. So put our background music back on. DJ. While we find another video to watch, video to react to. I don't even know. What you that do? Dang, I about to say, I just know I just seen a video with him talking about that.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about
Oh, I know a video. We can react to that one video. We can react to that one video that we was talking about earlier, y'all. When that dude was in that Lambo. Or whatever he was in. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna react to. Let me see. I day traded with 25,000 for 30 days and made. No, that ain't it. I don't want to react to that. This dude with the Lambo, I feel like he's scamming. Look like it. I don't even feel like watching nobody that's faking like that. Let me go to his page. Check out his page real quick. See if he a day trader or is he... If he a day trader, he just titled it that. If he ain't a day trader, then I'll react to it.
Making money online from the comfort of your home has never...
They say get a real job, scalper. So he became a day trader? Dang, he tried to buy it out too. We might check him out, y'all. We might give him a shot. Yeah, let's react to his video. It said 1 year ago, but then we might check out the bot one too. press pause. That must loud in the mud too. Quality. Oh, I don't say. Turning the background music off. Trying to get ready to record. Let me go delete that last video we just recorded, so we can have some space. Let me see if it was this video. YouTube, it's your boy Keith back with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be checking out. Yeah, I think it's this one. $1,000. Yeah, that's it. So let's go and delete it. Then go to recycle bin to delete it. Alright, well, maybe it ain't let me delete it because we got the stream going. But it's alright, we finna get into the video though. So let's get the recording ready. Alright, stop the background music. Desktop audio. Alright, we good. Start the recording. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Qusie back with another reaction video. Today we're gonna be checking out. I tried day trading to prove it was stupid, but now I'm addicted by Botter Boy Nova. I really don't know who this is. We just seen this video on YouTube. We typed in day trading 30 days, as y'all can see up here at the top. Trying to find some videos to react to, and we just came across his. So we gonna check it out, man. We looked at his page, and we was trying to find somebody that wasn't a day trader, because a lot of times they put these titles and they already know how to trade. They just faking it for views. Where him, it kind of look like he do more than trading. Like he got Pokemon videos and stuff. So I think he actually was trying to test out day trading. So I do want to check this out. I do say this video was a year ago, but it's fine. He do got another video about 4 months ago using a trading bot for Forex, and we might check that out also. So I think he did get addicted and start wanting to day trade. But we're gonna check it out. And yeah, before we do, y'all know, hit the like, share, and subscribe button down below if y'all haven't. And comment any type of video or reactions y'all would like for me to do. And I'll try to get to them the best I can. Okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man. We ain't finna waste no more time. Let's see what my boy Botter Boy Nova got going on. Let his video play. Make sure I got my audio. It look like he using Thinkorswim platform though, or it's Charles Schwab now.
Oh, this thing is flying.
Let's press pause to let it catch up to itself. It is lagging a little bit. See if it can catch up to itself a little bit.
Order filled.
Let me go back. Alright.
Oh, this thing is flying.
So it looked like he had like 26,000 in his account though. That's a good spot to start with.
Order filled.
Dang.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
And I'm gonna try not to
Finding
pause as
easy
much because
ways
this
to
is a
make money
long.
online is kind of my thing. So I wanted to find out if trading is something I
This
could
is
add
a
to my
long video.
arsenal.
It's like 30
It's quite
minutes.
popular, but I've put it off for so long because of a story involving a conversation between an economics professor and a technical analyst. Shortly into the discussion, the economist unfolded a piece of paper and handed it over to his friend who reads charts for a living. He looked at this chart and his eyes lit up. "What's this company?" he asked. He takes out his pen and starts working his magic on the chart, making labels and drawing trend lines.
"We gotta buy this. Immediately. Have a look. It's a beautiful upward breakout from an inverted head and shoulders pattern. There's no question the stock is gonna be up 15 points next week."
Now, if the chart did go up, would you say it was because he was lucky, or was it because of his expertise? To answer that question, we need to back up a few days earlier.
I like his editing on his
The
video so
economist
far.
was teaching his class a concept called the random walk theory. This theory states that stock prices move unpredictably, so that past prices cannot be used to accurately predict future prices. So he had his students participate in an experiment where they were asked to construct a hypothetical stock chart with a starting price of $50. For each successive trading day, the closing stock price would be determined by the flip of a coin. If the toss was heads, the students assumed that the stock closed half a point higher. If it was tails, the price was assumed to be down by half. They flipped the coin over and over again until the whole chart was filled out. Despite the chart being formed out of random coin tossings, they highly resemble normal stock charts, and many of them even appear to display cycles. Some of these charts even look like they have uptrends, so it's not as if you'd be able to reliably predict whether or not a 50-50 coin toss will continue to flip heads multiple times in a row. Some of the charts had head and shoulders formations, triple tops and bottoms, and other more esoteric chart patterns, and one chart even showed a beautiful upward breakout from an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So this was the chart that the economist took with him. He put it in his pocket, and this was the one that he showed his technical analyst friend, so if he did predict correctly, it would have been by pure chance. The economics professor's name was Burton G. Malkiel, and he was also the author of the book A Random Walk Down Wall Street.
Active managers charge very much more than passive managers, and because there are costs in moving from security to security, it is too much
But I
to
don't know
expect
how
them to outperform a passively managed
I don't know how
index.
you can
And the
compare
fact of
flipping
the
a
matter
coin
is,
to
they don't.
actual money getting invested into companies. Because that take
Apart
time
from
and
his
thought. Like, you gotta have,
experiences,
you
there
know,
were
you
many
take
other
money from banks
experiments
and
that
stuff
also
to
came
invest
to
in
this
companies.
conclusion,
It's not completely
including the
random,
time when a
you
Russian
know.
circus monkey
If
named
we know
Lucia
AI stock going
outperformed
up, more than likely
94%
NVIDIA
of the
coming with it.
country's
You
professional
know, a lot
investment
of tech
funds.
companies going with
Furthermore,
it.
over the last decade, 83%
So it's more than
of
just
fund
flipping a
managers
random coin.
underperformed
It's not
the
like they be like,
S&P
oh,
500.
well, today we gonna just invest a bunch of money in Apple. Today we just gonna randomly invest a bunch of money into
underperformed their
Dollar
benchmarks.
General.
Over
No,
10
it's
years, 86%
it is actual
underperformed. Don't get much worse
reason
than
why.
that.
So
But wait, there's more.
it's not completely
According to
random.
several studies, 90 to 97% of day traders lose money.
And that's another thing I want to know.
Every
With
month,
that fact
this
that people keep
Airbnb
saying
pays me about
about 90% day traders lose money,
$2,700 and
is that saying in the long run, or is that saying just lose money in general? Because it sound like it's misscrewed. You know what I'm saying? Sound like it's misscrewed. I feel like, yeah, you're gonna lose money, but who all do you count day traders? Do you count people that just casually jump into a chart, you know, and invest money? Do you count people that have been doing it for more than 1 year, more than 2 years? It all depends, you know. I do feel like a lot of people
With
don't
that
make money, but
being said, this whole industry just feels
I don't
like
know about
glorified gambling.
97%.
If people who study this stuff for
Let's lower the quality because this show is skipping a lot. Let's go with that quality real quick. Hopefully that'll help.
years can't beat the market, then what even is the point to all of this? Among the countless make money online categories, trading is certainly one of the most popular communities. And for most that claim to make money from this, I personally get the sense that they only show their wins and not their losses. That's not to say that it's not impossible to make money from this. In fact, I'm very well aware that many people have even experienced life-changing amounts of money from
Is that what I'm
participating
saying?
in
So
trading.
if y'all
But
saying
people also make
97%
life-changing money
lose
from
money,
winning the lottery, which is
if it just
statistically
lose money
nearly impossible.
in
The
general,
next time you go on a
anything
car
you can
ride,
lose money.
statistically you
I
have
can
an
go sit there and do a
approximately
prize pick,
1
lose
in
money. I can
7
sit there
million
and
chance of getting into a
go
fatal
work at a
accident.
job and
For any single lottery ticket,
leave early and
your
I lose
odds are
money.
1
You
in
know?
302 million.
So
Which means if you had purchased a lottery ticket every single time you entered a vehicle, you are 40 times more likely to die from that very car ride than you are to win the jackpot
I'm be
with
honest,
the ticket.
I like his edits, but he kind of spewing out random stuff. Like a lottery ticket and trading two completely different things. Way more random with lottery ticket. Trading, on the other hand, if you got you a strategy or something, you don't even have to be good and win trading. You can literally win 3 out of 10 trades you do, but if your risk to reward is high, you're still profitable. When it comes to the lottery, it's literally just at random. So I really don't like them comparing these random facts or random studies. I'll say, and like I said, that 97% traders lose money. Who is that counting toward? Is that person? Somebody did it for a month. Somebody did it for a day. people that day trade, people that do options, people that do forex. What is it comparing to?
You don't enter a car ride with the expectation of dying, yet millions of people still buy lottery tickets
But I
with
do
the
like his
slight
edits. I give him that.
expectation
But
of winning one day, despite the
this is
near
it's just
impossible success
I
rate.
ain't really
There
even
are
studying none of
still
this he's
people
saying.
that win. I
You
digress.
know,
The point I'm trying to make is that despite all logical assumptions from these statistics, millions of people will continue to gamble. But you know what's weird? There's many traders in the community that sometimes boast success rates of over 75%. This
let me skip
to
forward.
learn as much as I can. For now, I'm only going to be diving
We might need to introduce him
into
to
stocks and
GFT strategy.
options. I won't be touching cryptos or NFTs
Oh,
for
so
now,
he going to
since I don't want to
options.
spread myself
Okay.
too thin. My goals over the weekend is to, number one, learn the basics of what exactly it is that I'm trading. Number two, learn how to properly execute trade signals from the traders that we hired. And number three, get familiarized with the trading platform that I'll be using, which is Thinkorswim. Simple enough. For the first week, I'll be using a
Thinkorswim is
simulation account, which basically means
probably
I'm
my
only going to
hands
be
down.
trading with pretend money. That way I can really learn how to use a trading platform and just get into the
Oh,
gist
he was
of how
using paper
everything
money?
works
Okay.
without risking any
Thinkorswim is
of
probably my
By
favorite
default, you
hands
start off
down
with 100K,
options
but I'm not going to be using anywhere near
platform.
that. I'm going to be taking this seriously as if it was my own money and as if I only had 4 or 5K in the account. Therefore, all the trades that I'm going to be doing will only be around $200 to $1,000. So no crazy YOLO trades. Ready, set, go.
This is my hands down my favorite options trading platform. That's why I learned trading on, and I don't see nothing that's better. I like Robinhood, but it ain't got nothing on Thinkorswim charts.
Ouch. No worries, you'll bounce back.
Bro, I am up so much.
Congratulations.
At the end of
Dang,
the
he
week,
turned
the
4,000 to
results are
900. I mean,
$524
$99,000.
in Monopoly money before fees, and after fees, I believe it's closer to $340 to $400. As expected, there were some winning trades and some losing trades. I simply just need to win more than I lose. Because of my inexperience with this trading platform, I had missed several trades that went parabolic, which means I could have made a lot more money. And now, I think it's time to use real money. But that's when I ran into my first obstacle. There's this thing called the pattern day trader rule, where if your account balance has less than $25,000, you can only make up to 3 day trades in a 5-day business period. So if you plan to
But
get
that's
into
if
this
you're
with
doing
less
margin.
than
We doing margin.
$25,000, it's still possible.
If you do a
just
cash
keep these
count, you ain't got
restrictions in
to.
mind. Luckily for me, I do have the funds to transfer into my brokerage account, but instead of 25K, I'm gonna transfer 28K because on the chance that my account balance dips below 25K.
Yeah, he must be doing a marginal account. So he can pretty much marginal, they gonna leverage your stuff or you can trade even more capital. So he'll put 25K in, but he'll be able to trade with higher than that. But if you do a cash account, you can start with $30 in your account. And you can trade as many times as you want after weeks. You ain't gotta worry about none of that.
Okay, from a few bad trades.
But I
and
want him to
back
show
with
us
the
his
restrictions,
strategy and
So I
stuff.
want to leave at least some margin
Show us
of
his
error.
strategy.
And now we wait for Monday, which is the next trading day.
I want to see his strategy and stuff.
Today was supposed to be the first day I was trading with real money. However, the funds still needed to settle in my account, so unfortunately we gotta just continue with the simulation today.
Oh, so he just buying signals. He ain't actually using no strategy.
Order
He buying based off of, because he said off of other day traders. So he not using his own strategy. He just buying it based off of signals.
Oh my god, dude,
Okay, I get
that
you.
play was beautiful. Immediately up $100. Holy bro.
So he using other people trades.
This is awesome. Okay, it is not the end of the trading day yet, but I did close all of my positions because the money has finally settled into the account, and I'm ready to do it for real this time. I made about $500 in pretend money today, and after fees, my total profit for the simulation trading is $752. And also, I have made a couple of scripts that would really come in handy. The first one is a Python script that automatically translates the trade signals into think or swim format. So I can very quickly get to the desired chart just by copy and pasting their signal without having to go through this very long drawn out process. Ultimately
Dang,
allowing
boy,
me to execute
my
these
boy,
trades
that
a lot
boy,
faster.
got
I'm a
cheat
little bit
code,
nervous,
bro.
but
He got
hopefully
cheat code. Soon the signal come, he already got the contract ready and everything, bro. He done got the contract ready, chart ready. All he gotta do for how many contracts he want. I ain't gonna lie, shoot, doing that little script helped him
it all
out.
works out. I mean, so far so good.
But the big thing, he's leaning on other traders' knowledge. He not learning for himself, so as long as they win, he win, I guess.
Oh, this thing is flying.
Order
Cause
filled.
he ain't doing no type of strategy. He just literally buy and sell based off what they say. If they tell him buy when it cross here, he would
Let me
buy
show you
when it
something that
cross.
makes me furious every time I see it. This is a real tax return from someone making $284,972 per year.
All right, man. Today did not go the way I wanted it to. Down about $350, but that's just the way it is. You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. Unfortunately, for my first day trading with real money, it was a losing day. Because days like this is just normal. It's important not to try and do more in an attempt to try to
He kind of
make
throw
your
me out.
money
He
back.
looked
Just
like
gotta
young but
trust in the
old at the
system,
same time.
and hopefully tomorrow is
Like
a
his
better
mouth
day.
and
I
stuff
didn't
look
know this at
older.
the time, but the term for what I'm describing is called revenge trading. And apparently it's how a lot of beginners sometimes just lose all of their money. Before I sign out for today, I am going to enter into a few more positions. Oh my god. I ended the day negative 289, which is better than negative 350. We'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, market is about to open in 1 minute. So we'll see if right off the bat, we're going to make some money or lose some money.
Oh, that's another thing.
No.
For all the future traders, when it comes to options, you buying contracts. So I don't know if he buying it for the week, for the month, or what. But the reason why his money going up and down soon the market open is because he still held the contract overnight. So basically, like he held the trade the next day. So he still can lose or make money overnight. If future traders, if y'all watching and y'all don't know what was going on, he just got a contract. Usually contracts expire on the end of the week or however far you buy it out to. So if he bought on Monday, he still got it if it's Tuesday. You know, he still got that same contract. The actual loss don't count until he closed the contract or until it expire on that Friday.
Bro, that went up by 150.
Order filled. Order filled.
$10? What he trading for $10?
So today I lost around $200, but honestly, that is like a godsend because earlier at one point I was down 800, which is insane. Then I ended up recovering a bit. Now I'm only down 466 in total between yesterday's trading day and today's trading day. At this point, I'm looking at my trades and I'm thinking to myself that there should be no reason some of these positions are losing 70 to 80% of its value. And that's when I realized that win rate is completely irrelevant without proper risk management. Even with a 70% win rate, without proper risk management, losing money is still very easy. Let me illustrate it for you.
You got
Suppose
the
you
deltas.
enter 10 positions at $300 each. 7 of the 10 positions, you lock in 30% profits, and for the 3 losing positions, you incur a 80% loss. In this scenario, with a 70% win rate,
ain't that what we
you
just said
still
earlier,
lose.
y'all?
So this is
We
when I
said you
realized
can
that
lose
risk
3
management
times,
isn't as simple
but if
as
your risk
don't
management
invest more than
good,
you're willing to lose.
you
Because
can
if I don't
win
have a
3
proper
times and
risk
lose 7
management
times
strategy,
and
I'm
still make
certainly
money.
gonna lose money even under the best of conditions.
It
So
ain't
that's
about
when I
win
started
rate,
to
it's
do more
about that risk
research on
management.
risk to reward ratios. The content that I was consuming assuming was mostly for forex trading. So I was just trying to learn the concepts, and I'm trying to think of ways I can realistically apply this to options trading. I didn't come up with anything yet. All I'm certain right now is that 60 to 90% drawdowns are pretty common with options trading. So for now, I'm just deciding to size down on all of the trades that I make. Instead of taking $200 to $1,000 positions, I'm only going to start to do between $100 to $400, but mostly between $150 to $300.
That's a good spot. That's a good range for contracts. 1 to 400. Because once you get to 1,000, you got to know what you're doing.
Oh. Bro, what is that?
I got you baited.
Oh, he was up a little bit.
Order filled.
Locked in some profits. Holy. Dude, this went up like crazy. I'm not going to greed too hard. I'm going to exit my position around here. 99.
Order filled.
It
Nice.
hit it. Okay. I'm out of my Moderna position. Made $200 off that.
Order filled.
Nice. MU is going up.
Order filled.
Bro, that was looking so spicy. But I lost almost $200 off of that. It's all good. We're still up 125 today. And it's done. Today I've decided to go a little bit off script, meaning that what I'm about to do was not called out by the Discord. I saw the price action of QQQ and it was just doing this very quickly. So I was like, why not just buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, and so forth. It just looked very predictable to me. So that's what I tried to do. I found out later on that this method of trading is called scalping. I know a thing or two about scalping, just not in the trading world. And it worked. You can see some of my trades here. I did this over and over again, and from this, I made an extra $210. Today we had a little bit of a rocky start. However, at the end of it all, I was able to pull it back. And today we are up around $300. So now we are only down overall about $200. As per usual, I entered a few positions before the end of the trading day. So we'll see how those work out. Oh my god. Okay, we're already up $100 today. God bless. Dude, Starbucks went flying. No wonder. Oh my god, XLE went crazy.
I like your edits, man.
And just like that, I'm down $100.
But that's the thing,
Oh my god.
Is he
Oh
looking
my
for
god.
targets?
Oh my god. Bro, my position's going crazy. My buy-in here was at 127.
Nah, Tesla will give him his money back. I ain't gonna lie. Tesla give you your money back.
Should have just let it run. Oh, too late.
Them Tesla
All
charts
good.
give you your money
Yo,
back.
I am
I told you.
positive now.
Tesla give you your money back, boy. You be right with
today.
Tesla trade, you gonna make your money
Holy
back.
shit, that is nice.
Tesla, you gonna make your money
I am
back, boy.
actually positive, including the commissions. Yo, it only took a whole week. Let's go. Noticing the price action of this contract, I decided to do some scalping here as well.
Alright now, come on, be careful with scalping Tesla though. Okay. He working on them.
And that's a demo of the I'm just guessing strategy.
I'm about to say, it look like he just guessing because ain't no
other
strategy.
winning trades and positions,
But he
by the
made
afternoon, I
about
was
$500,
up over
$700.
$1,000. As my confidence for scalping started to go up, I started to increase my position size by a bit. And that's when I was introduced to a concept called theta, aka time decay. This quantifies how much an options price will decrease as the expiration date approaches.
Yep.
Since I wasn't familiar with this, I bought where I normally would have, but because of time decay, let's just say that the price didn't go where I expected it to, and it never recovered. Another lesson learned. But here are the numbers for the end of the week. Today is Friday, and market is closed over the weekend, so yeah, we're not going to be making any trades.
At least he in the green though.
So we traded for a total of 4 days with real money, and the results are in. I've made a little bit over $150. I have to admit, this is very fun, very stressful, but I like it. Over the weekend, I worked on my risk management strategy, and here's what I came up with. All of my trades will be sized small. If it works out, I can make anywhere between a 30 to 70% return. If it doesn't, my mental stop loss will be at around a 50% drawdown, which means if I take a $100 position, I'm willing to lose $50 to make anywhere from $30 to $70, maybe even more. As I mentioned earlier, it's very possible to have even 70% drawdowns, but I'll be exiting the position before it even gets there. And if it does happen, there's a chance I will re-enter that trade at a significant discount with a chance for huge gains. Obviously, there's also a chance that the re-entry doesn't work out either, which is also accounted for. I wanted to use AI to analyze the strategy, but first I needed to assign probability values to each scenario. We'll do something conservative, like 50% chance to win, 50% chance to lose, with a chance for re-entry. From both Claude Sonnet 3.5 and ChatGPT 4o, they've both determined that over the long run, this strategy will make money. Now, if the win rates are increased and profit targets are also increased, which is my expectation, then it would be even better. I understand that realistically this is difficult to implement and practice, so this isn't something that I'm going to hard follow because my decision making for losing trades will be based on context rather than probabilities. I get some peace and understanding that regardless of losing trades, I still should be profitable in the long term. But all of this is only theoretical, of course.
Oh, he got hit with an ad. He getting his money though. He might not make no money trading, but he gonna get that money for the ads, boy. Gonna get that YouTube money. Week 3.
Okay, we take those. However, I do have to go somewhere today, so I can't really monitor this as hard as I would want to. I guess we'll just see what happens towards the end of the day. Not too many crazy trades, but either way, ended up plus $175. Our account now is at 28,305. So in total, after fees and everything, we are up $300. Not too shabby.
He doing pretty sturdy though for his first time trading.
Right at 9:30, everything is so chaotic. It's awesome. Oh. Holy shit, Roku is up.
Order filled.
Now he entered at 65. Oh yeah, he had a nice trade.
Order filled.
But hold up, he entered in right here, y'all. Beautiful trade. Pass target 1, pass target 2, pass target 3. That's a beautiful trade right there. Now me personally, I probably wouldn't entered here. I probably would have entered right here when they made this higher high at 0.8. So he would have had a better entry than me. But it's still a nice trade though.
Bam. Roku made 142 off that. Nice. What the hell is going on? Bro, the Starbucks position just went freaking crazy with a gain of 79%. I'm currently up $658 today. Holy. Oh my god. It's gonna keep going up. I'm gonna trim one here.
Order filled.
I have 3 in total. Oh my. Look at that. That is nice. $743.
My boy going crazy on y'all.
So my account now After fees and everything, again, we started off with 28K. We are now at 29K. So we made 1K in about 1.5 weeks worth of trading. I like it. I like it. I have been on quite the hot streak, so I'm due for a red day at some point. Today
I don't know
might
if
be the
he
one, but I just feel like I'm doing
why
a
I say
little
week
bit
3?
too good. There it is. Down 120 right off the bat. But that's okay. Unfortunately today, it wasn't any better. In fact, much worse. By the end of the day, I was down over $420. Most of my positions were still within my risk management framework, but when they're losing, it's death by 1,000 paper cuts, except the paper cuts are $100 losses. Yesterday was a bloodbath. Just gotta win a bit more than we lose, and hopefully today is a winning day. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Okay. Oh. I shouldn't get my hopes up too much.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go.
You locking
It's
in
the
some of them
last trading
profits?
day for the video, so I was also doing some scalping on meta. I'm basically undefeated scalping, except for that one time, and I made an extra $100 for that. I've entered a position again at 77 cents, and this time it was a bit of a bigger position, and it went down 44 cents. And I feel like I had royally screwed up, but my intuition tells me otherwise, and then it went down to 37 cents. And then something insane happened. Is this glitching? Wait, what the fuck? Is this a glitch? What is happening? Bro, what the what the actual is
Dang.
that? I'm selling.
Boy, he made bank.
Trimming a little bit here.
He made bank.
Order filled.
That boy came
my
up.
God.
What he about
Bro.
5K?
Today was about to be
Nah,
a
never mind.
horrendous
He a
day.
14.
Oh my God.
1400.
It's still going. It's still going. I have one left. I don't know when to sell, bro. This looks insane. I actually don't know when to sell.
Order filled.
But wait, there's more. My meta position started to recover as well. If I exit this position, I'm
Oh, I thought
calling
that
it
was
a
meta
day.
that went up.
Because today's already
Oh,
been
never
really
mind then.
powerful.
I thought he
So let's
tricked
hit
me.
this
I
position.
thought
I
his
need
meta trade was up
this to go here.
to them
Highlighted. Oh,
2.8.
come on. Come on, you could do it.
Cause if that was the meta trade, yeah, he would have went crazy.
Done. Just like that.
I thought that was meta trade. That was something else that went up there. He tricked me right there. I thought he would have made more than he did.
After fees and commission, I made a total of $1,800 over the course of 9 trading days. My $28,000 balance went up by 6.6%, and if we compare this to the S&P 500, the S&P went down by 1.29%, which means as a complete beginner, not only did I outperform 85% of hedge funds who struggle to beat the market, but I had also outperformed 97% of traders. To be honest, to do that, all you have to do is break even, so that's not really hard to do. That means I'm a genius and I should immediately start selling a trading course. Just kidding. 3 weeks really isn't enough time to come to any definitive conclusions. The studies that concluded the unprofitability of trading or active fund management span between 1 to 3 years. And I'm personally going to continue trading for several months to see if I really am profitable, but by that time I won't be a beginner anymore. And I won't be able to make a clickbait title as good as how I outperformed 97% of traders as a complete beginner. Furthermore, I wanted to find out if these Discord traders really could outperform what
Yeah, I was
seems
about
to
to
be
say,
the whole world in this game of trading.
and I was about to say, of course, he copy trading. He taking signals, so it ain't really him trading. I mean, he technically pressing the button, But he using the signals to get in
The
his
few
trades.
times I
Other
was
than them
scalping,
scalps.
basically all of the trades that I took were from the traders that we hired to our Discord. One thing that I am very impressed by though is how good the trade signals were from Bishop and Mr. M, two of the three traders that I was using. Flint, on the other hand, was saying that this was his worst streak, and it just so happened to occur at the exact time I was just starting to trade with real money. Maybe it was just bad luck, but I'm not sure what to make of it yet. It was really fun. I now have a newfound passion, so you're probably going to see a lot more trading videos on my channel. And if you're based in the US and you want access to the same information that I used, as well as several more ways to make money online,
And then he
check
said
out
he
our
paying
Discord
them
group,
to give him
Polar
the
Chefs,
signal,
link
so
in the description.
he paying for the results. Alright, we're gonna end it right here. All in all, I mean, lower this, make this small. All in all, it was a good video though. I enjoyed it. Definitely like the edits a lot. His edits was real nice. Some of the information he giving out is a little bit misleading. When he, like I said, the studies he doing when it comes to traders, the theory or whatever economic theory he had with the technical analysis persons with the economic professor or whatever. Some of that stuff kind of misleading. Then, like he said, with him saying, "Oh, he outperformed the S&P and stuff." Yeah, he outperformed it, but like I said, he was buying signals, so you kind of got to trade on your own. I don't know. Me personally, if y'all out there, y'all like buying signals, that's what y'all like to do. But I can't call you the trader if you just buying signals. You can't. I can't count you as the day trader. You're just somebody buying the signals. So, like I said, he did scalp a couple times, but it was like he said, it was at random. Um, but all in all, I liked the video. I enjoyed it though. I kind of am interested in seeing his most recent videos to see how he's doing now though. Like I said, I seen he had a video about 4 months ago for a forex bot. Testing out a forex bot. So maybe the bot giving him signals now, so he stopped paying the traders and stuff. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's go ahead and end it here. Like I said, I might check out some more other videos. And I think this also is right here is a trading video he got, so we might react to that too later down the line. But yeah, we're gonna end it right here, y'all. Let me know what y'all thought of this video, man, and comment if y'all want to see any more videos from Botter Boy Nova. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Your boy Keith is out. Peace. Alright, YouTube stream. We still in here. Y'all, we still in here. Still in here. Still in here. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna give me something to drink. 1 second.